Hi, Helen.
Hi.
From time to time, you'll have these plants that are a little bit more natural, and I think there are many that would much prefer just to lie down. Unfortunately, I don't want them to lie down.
Oh, okay.
I want them to be lifted somewhat, but I don't want it to look unnatural.
Right.
So what I've found is I take branches, dead branches from bushes around the property.
Oh, yeah.
And it's almost like a large hand.
Right.
And if you insert them in the ground, there he is, it will help the plant stand up.
Oh,
so
I
here
see.
we have
So,
a nice little fellow here. Place it, just poke it in underneath.
uh-huh.
And
Oh, so you're not actually tying the plant to the,
No,
to the twig, you're just kind of giving it some guidance.
giving it a little guidance. So I'm going to put one here.
Uh-huh.
And then I think there's another area in here. I just scoop in with my hand,
Mm-hmm.
press the branch in, let the plant fall back on top
Oh,
of the
I
branch.
see. So it's just
So
leaning back on there.
It's up a little bit, and to be extra sneaky, just so that people can't see what I've done,
Uh-huh.
I'll just clip off a few little pieces of the branch here.
Right,
So
okay.
it looks like
The plant is standing up.
the plant is standing
Now,
up.
the plant, throughout the summer, if you were to take those out, would it fall down again, or does it?
Oh yes, it'll fall down.
So you're not
again.
actually training it to stand up, you're just helping. You're giving it a chair.
I've just, exactly, that's it, a chair.
Okay.
Well, in the same category of things fall down, there are single-stalked plants that fall down. I've planted some echium russicum, and it's growing right over here.
Okay.
Lovely, lovely plant, lovely red stems.
Oh yes, very nice.
See how
Mhm.
nicely they're all standing up?
I do, yes.
That is, except for this little fella here that's decided to creep along
Oh.
the ground.
Uh-huh.
Now, last week, I managed to figure out that things weren't going quite as well as they should for the echium. So I got out here and started to stake. And there had been one falling on the ground, and I really did want this nice display here with the Nepeta and the echium. So, as you can see,
Oh, yes.
I made my little figure
Staked
eight,
there, yeah.
put a stake in, and just sort of hit it a little bit, and here it is, standing tall.
Beautiful.
So last week it was lying on the ground, looking rather pathetic, and this week standing nice and tall.
Now, these other ones are standing tall too, but they don't, have you helped them all?
I haven't helped them all. You never know with plants. It may have been some wind, there may have been an animal rushing through there,
Right.
or it just may have been that the plant was slightly unstable. You never know. And of course, because these are plants that probably do grow in the wild, if you see them in the field, they're growing beautifully. And another thing, the soil for plants that are what we would consider wildflowers, generally the soil is a lot poorer. So my plants do have a tendency to fall down from time to time because the soil is just a little too rich.
I see, okay. But so you just really listen to what the plants are telling you that they need?
Absolutely.